depends. Finna fly a bitch out until it hit me when you land. This a cream soda pop, but this a
For what? For what reason? Well, fuck you ain't your turn, bitch. The hell, wanna get in front of me and shit. It was a nice ass color, I ain't gonna lie. It was a nice ass color. Is that a Tundra? It is a Tundra, dang. Am I tripping cuz that a Tundra? But nah, like I was saying, video on this coming in, you feel me? Shout out to Destroying Customs. You feel me? We go leather, red stitching to match my red stitching with this. Carbon fiber, not that fake shit. RT, not SRT, LED. I ain't never gonna fake the funk, bitch. You feel me? Let me get done with this build. Y'all gonna see it. You feel me? Twin turbo 5.7 RT. You feel me? I'm trying to push at least 800 to 900 horsepower. Wait on me. Wait on me. Right now we got a smooth little 4. I need that bitch to be at 8 or a 9. 8 or a 9. I just realized, bitch, I threw up the wrong numbers. I should have followed his ass. God damn it, I should have followed the Mustang. Top of a dumbass shit car. Fuck. What the fuck? I knew it too, that's why I ain't go. Carl, what the hell is wrong with the 239 fucking roads? First of all, if 2 cars are there, I can't fully see if more cars are fucking coming. That's so stupid, cuz. Hey, well, that's a nice size Nissan Altima with the little burgundy. You fought for that, I ain't gonna lie, that shit hard. See, that's the problem. Y'all niggas be hating too much. You gotta appreciate every single fucking car. I won't back to you. You gotta appreciate the cars, cuz. Like that one right there. That look Kia hard. Come on now. Y'all be hating. Y'all be y'all prize. You feel me? Niggas be yo ass just speeding in and shit. Fuck it. Fuck it. Give me some fucking tacos. Give me some fucking tacos. I won't lie. Give me some fucking tacos. Tacos. Give me some fucking tacos. I won't lie. What do I want to buy? Might take a thumb to the hood too. Yeah, hold on. I gotta park somewhere private. Gotta park somewhere by myself. Park somewhere by myself. Ooh. Finna get tacos. Fuck you.
Taught me how to beat my feet. Trying to scratch this shit here out. I need all grounds to the teeth. It ain't a thing that cross my motherfucking eyes that I don't peep. A couple more flips up off this pill, turn me up and now I'm geek. This shit is an everyday thing. I'm making money all through the week. This bitch here got a nigga boy. She trying to be cute and suck a knee. I get a nagging bitch gone the moment she come fuck up this pee. You made me shine, you made me nervous. Used to come and lean on you, now I got this color up in my cup. I'm the one you call whenever you need some. Just call me Mr. Clutch. And for my custo, no hesitation, I'm coming in a rush. And I done stayed down for this. It's not a nigga that I call. I stood up and took a risk. I look around, don't see shit when I was down up on my dick.
You right, nigga talking that hot shit. Haven't gone before tonight. I ain't trying to squash shit. Pick a side, you better ride. My youngin' slinging hot shit. No boys known to terrorize. Tied in with the same niggas, we screaming my ties. Broke niggas trying to beef. We don't beef with y'all guys. We don't beef with y'all kind. Get a nigga hall tie. Get a nigga head tap. While I'm swerving on 75.
I'm tired of looking around when I need someone to call and just me. But that never stressed me out. It taught me how to beat my feet. Trying to scratch this shit here out. I need all grounds to the teeth. It ain't a thing that cross my motherfucking eyes that I don't peep. A couple more flips up off this pill, turn me up and now I'm geek. This shit is an everyday thing. I'm making money all through the week. This bitch here got a nigga boy. She trying to be cute and suck a knee. I get a nagging bitch gone the moment she come fuck up this pee. You made me shine, you made me nervous. Used to come and lean on you, now I got this color up in my cup. I'm the one you call whenever you need some. Just call me Mr. Clutch. And for my custo, no hesitation, I'm coming in a rush. And I done stayed down for this. It's not a nigga that I call. I stood up and took a risk. I look around, don't see shit when I was down up on my dick.
You right, nigga talking that hot shit. Haven't gone before tonight. I ain't trying to squash shit. Pick a side, you better ride. My youngin' slinging hot shit. No boys known to terrorize. Tied in with the same niggas, we screaming my ties. Broke niggas trying to beef. We don't beef with y'all guys. We don't beef with y'all kind. Get a nigga hall tie. Get a nigga head tap. While I'm swerving on 75.
I'm tired of looking around when I need someone to call and just me. But that never stressed me out. It taught me how to beat my feet. Trying to scratch this shit here out. I need all grounds to the teeth. It ain't a thing that cross my motherfucking eyes that I don't peep. A couple more flips up off this pill, turn me up and now I'm geek. This shit is an everyday thing. I'm making money all through the week.